Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Today we have something special for you. It could be one of those videos just rolled in, or maybe the customer says, but this has a special story. It's a Prius, and its owner probably watches too many Hoonigan videos. I have a memory of this car, personal memory, when we were driving months ago on the highway in the slow down speed zone, which is 55 here. Everybody should go down from 65 to 55, and I look in the rearview mirror and I remember this Hoonigan Prius. It was going like 90 and swerving between all the other vehicles, which I thought, you are insane, because somebody will whack you pretty soon for this behavior, and it won't be CHP. So today it came in my landlord's shop, and you can see that something's wrong with it. Something's seriously wrong with it. Look at it. It has a custom wiring for the speed sensor. That's a nice customization. I think this should be not called Hoonigan. It should be called a show which is called Roadkill, but except it's about the muscle cars and not Toyotas. Nice little detail. Head got ripped. Oh, did we end up in a little bit of ditch or something? Or we went go off-roading? Transmission fluid is leaking right here. The engine oil pan survived everything shockingly, but look how beautiful tires it has. There's no fret on them. This entire cover is missing. Let me switch metering. If I go to the point, will it show it? Of course it will show it. I just need to change the filming mode. So that's missing, obviously. Oh, what happened here? Little boo-boo. What happened here? What happened here? This vehicle got smashed so bad, it's unbelievable. It's leaking oil as we speak. It keeps dripping down. It's pretty bad. What was the owner showing? That entire strut is broken, it's bent. I hope you can see it. It was not just the wiring. The strut, it's bent this way. Whoop. So this kid, I think I saw a younger person driving it and behaving like a dumbass. That will make sense, right? When you are young, you are making mistakes. He probably end up in the ditch and just doesn't want to acknowledge the fact he crashed this Prius. And this is done. We think we look at it, all of us, just briefly. I was invited to film it for you guys, because you don't see it every day. We think this is a junk. This will go to the junkyard, because where you want to even start those repairs? There could be some parts on it. Catalytic converter is worth something, right? Before it will be junk, that should be removed. That's a very precious item. Apparently even the rear brakes are leaking out. Somebody pointed it out. The tires, everything, it's in a very bad shape. So they said, hey Peter, if you want to film that, you don't see this very often for your subscribers. I said, absolutely. They want to see the nightmare like this. Absolutely. Who will not like to see that? So yeah, bye bye Prius. You will most likely end up in the junkyard, and it really doesn't go together. Somebody thinks to watch the Hoonigan videos, and they do the same with a second-gen Prius. Please don't do that. These cars are not built for that. So I hope you find this interesting as we did. It's really you don't see every day. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please give it a thumb up and stay tuned. I have way more coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.